Hey class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. In this video, we are going to analyze an argument. And we are doing this using one of the common structures of arguments. Okay, so let's translate this so we can see what's going on here. It said if it rains or snow, so I would say rains being P, it is snowing being Q, then I read being R. Okay, so to translate this, it said if it rains or snow, then I will read. Okay, rained or snow, then I will read. Okay, so that's P or Q, then R. Okay, I am reading R, therefore it is raining or snowing. Raining or snowing. Okay, so this right here is what we say a fallacy of the converse. Okay, so remember what the converse is. If the original statement, the conditional statement is, I'm going to use some other letter instead of P and Q here. If it's A imply B is the conditional statement. Okay, so this is the conditional statement. Then the converse would be, the converse would be when you switch the order. So B implies A. Okay, so do you see that structure here? This right here being A, this right here being B, right? And then B, therefore A. So that is a fallacy of the converse, because we know that this original conditional statement right here is not equivalent to its converse. Now, however, what actually is kind of cool to see is how to fix this argument, how to change this argument so that it is a valid argument. Okay, so we know that the conditional statement A imply B is equivalent to is contrapositive, right? So contrapositive is negate B, then negation of A, right? So that's the contrapositive. So how do I use that to fix this? Well, if this is my A and this is my B, then in order to make this statement, this argument a valid argument using the contrapositive, then I would say not B, right? So the argument would have to be of this structure. A imply B, not B, therefore not A, right? So that has to be this structure right here, and it's using the contrapositive. So I would have to change this right here, that second premise, to not B, which means I am not reading. Therefore, then I have to change this right here to not. Oh, that is one awesome question. Here is a question for you. What is not B, right? If B is P or Q, then what is not B? What is the negation of B? The negation of B is the negation of an OR statement. Okay, what is the negation of an OR statement? The negation of an OR statement is And I don't mean to say B, I really mean A. If A is P or Q, then the negation of A is the negation of an OR statement. And the negation of an OR statement is an AND statement, and you have to negate both the statements there, right? So that would be not P and not Q. So besides saying how do we fix this structure? This is right here is not B, right? So we would say therefore not A. We have to fix this so that it say not A. Okay, so how do we fix that to say not A? It would have to be it is not raining and right, and it is not snowing. That right there is a valid argument using contrapositive now. So that's how we fix that to make that a nice valid argument using the contrapositive. And we know that this is valid because A imply B is equivalent to not B imply not A, the contrapositive.